Hi everyone, it's Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a super small craft haul video as well as a card share. I just wanted to share two items that I purchased recently, and I thought they were really adorable. So the first one is this Spellbinders Season's Greeting die set, and it's called Deer. And it cuts out this little deer right here. I saw one of the YouTubers on their channel show this, and for some reason I just thought I had to have it, and I ordered it, and I really like it. It has a lot of little pieces in it. It actually has, I think, 19 pieces. So you can make the deer with a hat, a bow tie, different eyelashes, a couple of noses, and really cute. So I want to show you a card I made. This is one of the cards I made, and this is for a kid. And you know, kids, I think they'll just look at this, how cute it is, and you know, you don't really worry about a greeting on the front. I will have something on the inside, but I think it turned out really cute. I like the die a lot, the die set, and I love the little hat to make him Christmassy. And on this one, you see, I just used, this is for a boy, so I didn't use the fancy eyelashes, but let me show you the one I made for a girl. So this is so cute. I like the tone-on-tone pink, and you know, for Christmas, pink is not the color you often think of, but I thought it worked really well. And then look at her super luscious eyelashes that we girls all wish we had. And then this was in the die set, this little flower, so I just cut it out in silver cardstock. I have from the Cricut glitter cardstock. That's what I always use, but I think it turned out really cute. That's the girl deer, and then the little boy deer. Like both of these. And also I picked up this little stamp set. It's from the Ink Blot shop, and I saw this on Jennifer McGuire's series where she shows her favorite stamps, and I just thought this was so cute. So it says sealed with love, not germs. Sealed with love, not germs, cursive and just straight, how do you call that? Not cursive, but print. And then sealed with love and adhesive, spit free. And then it has a little emoji things with mask over their face. So I stamped out one, and I just think that's so adorable, because I believe that's what we're all doing. You know, we're using adhesives on our envelopes. It's a form of sealing it versus licking your envelope. So you want to let everybody know that. So that's what I wanted to share with you, the two cards that I made, and the really cute Spellbinders Season's Greeting Deers die set, and then this really cute little very inexpensive ink blot shop die, and it's called Spit Free, and they have awesome customer service. So if you head over to their shop and order, they will take care of you. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about the cards. These are for little kids, as I said. You think they'll like them? And I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a nice day. Bye.